Here's a quick explainer video on how to mount your flying bird trio on the wall. You will need, in advance, some scrap paper, 2 pieces of A4, a pen and a set of scissors. Draw roughly around the outline of each bird. Like so. You want the top wing in as well. Cut roughly around the outline of each bird. You don't need to be too precise. When you've got all 3 templates cut out, take your first template, hold it against the back of the bird, and then we're going to poke holes where the 2 smaller nail holes are in the back of the bird. Poke a good hole in, and that is where you're going to poke the nails. Next, you will need some tape, and you're going to tape your templates up on the wall. Play around holding them, positioning them, seeing how you want them to fly. If you want them leaning down or leaning up slightly, you can do that. Then we've got 6 nails. I'm using masonry nails here today because that's what I had at hand. And a hammer. And we're going to hammer through the little holes that you've made on the templates. Check there's no electrical wires running behind this wall before you do this. And get the nails quite nice and close. Stop them hanging away from them. And now we have